guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm honestly I just want to play around with makeup. You know, I'm bored at home, so I just want to play with some old products that I have, because since Ulta and Sephora is closed, I didn't buy any nude makeup. So I'm just gonna play around, create something that's like spring inspired. So yeah. For the primer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is my favorite primer ever. So I'm just gonna put this, on my face as usual. And we're gonna just kind of blend everything in and whatnot. Oh yeah, before I get started completely, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right over here. Give this video a thumbs up. Grab a little snack, because this might be a little while. And yeah, I guess let's get started. Alright, for the foundation, I'm going to go in with the Purely's Perfect Glow BB Cream. I'm feeling like more of a light coverage today. I don't want anything too harsh. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my face, just like this. I'm going to put a couple little lines on my forehead as well. If we need more, I'm going to obviously add a little bit more of the foundation to have a little bit more coverage. And then I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics brush, foundation brush that I have. This is literally my favorite foundation brush. I use this every single time I apply foundation, unless I'm using the e.l.f. or a Morphe, like the sponge. So I'm just going to blend this in. I do remember this foundation, like I used to wear this every single day in the summer. Purely's actually sent it to me, which, thank you guys for sending that to me to test it out. I gave the darker shade to my mom, honestly, because this right here is like perfect. But I gave my mom the darker shade because she's obsessed with like BB creams, since she's older as well, so like she doesn't need too much of a coverage because it like seeps into her like smile lines and crease lines, so it just works better for her. And she loves it as well. So if you guys want really good BB cream, try this guy out. It's pretty affordable as well. And yeah, it's oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. So, which is another great thing about this BB cream is I have a sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful what I put on, and especially like I get really like red easily, I guess. But this doesn't break me out. Looks really good on your skin, especially in the summertime, like when you're, sweating, going out, in humid areas and whatnot. This is perfect for that. So go check out Purely's. They also have a really good, whatchamacallit, like a skincare line. They're like watermelon scrub. Oh my god, it smells good. And it's amazing. Or like their, it's like a milk cleanser that they have. It's really good as well. So I highly recommend Purely's. Alright, before I'm gonna run out of time, I gotta blend this shit in. Like I said, this is definitely on like the lighter side of the coverage for like, especially in the summertime and stuff, where you do not need a lot of foundation. Today we were going for a really glowy and healthy look. For some reason, I used to be obsessed with like wearing really heavy and full-on full coverage foundations, but lately I've been going towards more like natural glow types of foundations. They're not too, like, I still want coverage, but I don't want to look too cakey and like too heavy, you know what I mean? Alright guys, so that's all for the foundation, and I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Catrice Liquid Camo High Coverage. Oh, you can see my kitty cat. High Coverage concealer. I'm gonna put this under my eyes. You guys know the drill with the concealer. I mean, there's only so much you can talk about when it comes to applying concealer. I kind of just put it in the spots where I need a little bit more coverage. But like today, we're keeping it pretty natural, where I really don't need too much of a coverage. And then once again, we're gonna blend that in. Alright, so that's all for the concealer, and then I'm gonna use like the tiniest amount of powder to set my face in, because like I said, we're trying to keep this super glowy and super, you know, like fresh and dewy. Also, look how good my eyebrows look. Ever since I like reshaved them, because I shaved the like the ends of my brows, but they came out so good ever since they started growing back out. Like, I'm really freaking happy with my brows lately. Alright, and then, you know, with the same old, it's the only powder. Well, there's only three powders that I use, which is Morphe translucent powder. Then I have the Ciate London translucent powder. That one I only put under my eyes to kind of just brighten everything. And then Maybelline loose translucent powder, because that has it gives you really nice coverage as well. For this is perfect for baking. The other Ciate is more of like a highlighting powder, and then the Maybelline is kind of to set your whole face with. It gives you a little extra coverage, and you know, you can bake with that as well, but it's more of like a powder to, like, you know, set your whole face with. So I'm going to take the Morphe one for today, and I'm going to take this brush I have right in here, and I'm just going to take like the slightest amount, and we're just going to stamp underneath my brows, just like this, to give it a little bit of more of a coverage, and just set everything in so it doesn't budge throughout the day. Alright guys, so then I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer. I think this is just the original Hoola bronzer that I had, that I believe. Yeah, I think it's the original. I'm going to take a little bit of this on this like brush that I have, and we're going to bronze up our face. I want look a little bit more sun-kissed and bronzy today. This is a really like nice bronzer. Wow, why did I ever stop using this? But yeah. I really like that, guys. Wow. Y'all, don't mind my crusty ass Hoola bronzer. I need a new one, but like, highly recommend. Why did I stop using this? I do not know. Well, I think because I started using this one, because this is like my everyday bronzer. But this, oh my god, I might use this again. It looks snatched. I'm going to put a little bit of that bronzer on my collarbones. Alright, so that's all for the bronzer. And then for the blush, what are we using for the blush? I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blush in Fantastical. And I'm going to use my little brush that I have for blushes, one of these. And we're just going to take this and just kind of, you know, just put a little bit of blush on my face, I guess. I don't really know. But that's okay. We can look like we've been sunbathing every single day, even though we've been home. Nothing wrong with that, with looking sun-kissed. And then for the highlight, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty highlighting palette. And for today, we're going to go in with this shade Azores right here. I don't know if I pronounced it right. Probably didn't. But I really don't give a crap. So I'm going to take this little brush, put some on there. And we're going to, you know, highlight my cheeks. Well, not really my cheeks. Bitch, why did I stop using this? I honestly forgot I had this. I have so much makeup that, like, I forget I have. We look really glowy. I'm gonna put some on my nose. Like, in the center of my nose. Alright, guys, so then for the freckles, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara. And then I'm gonna find, like, a pointy brush. Alright, so I have this, like, little pointy brush. And what I usually do is literally open the brow gel. Get like a little small mirror or whatever, and I'm gonna like literally like take some of that pigment. Let me go a little closer, and I'm just gonna start drawing freckles on my face. And you can just kind of tap them in so it looks like they're like under your skin. I really like the color of this. Alright, so that's all for the freckles. Look pretty cute. What you guys think? I love wearing freckles, honestly. I wish, like, I had more, like, natural freckles. Like, I do, but, like, once you put the makeup on, you can't really tell. So, yeah. That's all for the face. Like, the base of our face. We look really glowy and fresh. And then we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab that I have right in here. I used this palette multiple times. I made videos with this palette as well. And I love this palette for spring and summertime because of all, like, the yellow shades and stuff. They're the best, honestly. Everyone talks so much shit about these, like, the collab that came out, but I liked it. I mean, some of the shades are a little patchy, not gonna lie, but it's cheap. It's not even that expensive, so, like, shut the fuck up and just buy it. It's good. So then we're gonna go with that yellow shade right in there. And I'm just gonna honestly just put that all over the freaking lid. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna take the palette. I'm gonna take my little Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in that yellow shade called Access. I'm just gonna take, like, a decent amount, and we're just gonna literally just pack that on all over the lid. This is, like, the best yellow shade ever, and I tried a lot, and I could never find that perfect yellow, but every time I want to, like, do, like, a yellow look, I always go for this palette, because I just know it's not gonna disappoint me, and, you know, the pigmentation of the shade is there as well. So, you know, honestly, I'm just going to keep blending this, just like that. And I'm going to quickly do the same thing on the other eye. Let me just get rid of the crease lines. Alright, that's pretty good. And I'm going to take a little bit of that orange shade called Secure, that's right over here. And I'm going to take, like, an angled, smaller brush. It's just kind of like, I'm going to use the lightest amount to just kind of just deepen the crease. Nothing too crazy, because I still really want it to be, like, yellow, but I do want, like, some definition in my eye, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. Alright, I think that's pretty good. And then I want to take that, like, shade called VIP that's in here. It's, like, a really pretty, white shade. Let me show you guys. A really pretty, like, champagne color. So I'm just gonna go in with, like, my brush that I use for my nose highlight, and I'm just gonna pop that, like, in the middle. You guys see what I mean? Bitch, that looks good. Bitch, that looks good. And I'm gonna do a little bit of that yellow eyeshadow underneath my eyes as well. Alright, guys, so that's all for the eyes. And then I'm going to quickly put some dodo lashes on with some mascara. And we're going to go to the lips, and I'll show you guys the finished look. So, be right back. Alright, guys, so I'm back with the lashes. Like I said, I used the dodo lashes for the lip liner. I honestly forgot I had this. I was going through, like, my lip liner drawer, and I found this LA Girl lip liner in Sugar and Spice, and I got this a long time ago, and I lost it, but then I found it again, and this color, like, bitch, look at this, it's beautiful. Like, this whole makeup look actually honestly looks really cute, and I love it, but this lip liner, it's like a perfect nude. Honestly, low-key just want to leave my lips like this, but I do have a lipstick to try out. I only tried this out once before, and it's the Belle and Argent. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I don't have the sticker for it, so I'm not sure what color it is. But when you open it up, this is the color. So I feel like this is going to look really pretty with this makeup look. I just kind of just want to put it in, like, the middle of my lips. I don't want to put it, like, all over my lips. Alright, guys, so this is the final look. I'm absolutely obsessed with how this came out. Like, this looks really freaking cute. And it matches my dress and stuff. So, feeling a little risky with my dress today, I guess. Alright, guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm honestly obsessed with this makeup look. I know I say this in every video, but like each time I film a new phone and like create a new makeup look, it just gets better. So wow, like it looks cute. And I usually like, this sucks. Every time I go somewhere, my makeup comes out looking like crap. But then when I'm home doing nothing, like what? What's going on right now? But yeah, I guess that's all. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_and Violet. And yeah, that's all for today. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.